the meat this time. Yeah. What?
You know what? Edward told me he had lunch at Helen's yesterday, and she's just had her kitchen completely redone. You know, new floors, new paint, new microwave, new Sonnet dishwasher.
Well, they've done something.
Yeah, Jim, didn't you just tell me that your mother had her kitchen redone as well?
Yeah, and my dad bought himself a bunch of new toys. Big screen TV, CD player, a VCR, 4 heads.
God, could you imagine what it's like to be that rich?
She can't.
Yeah, well, they keep things pretty much locked up, you know, so Casey won't even help me buy a car.
Well, you know, speaking of finances, Edward, I hear you aren't charging the neighbors for gardening.
Oh, well, now, Helen made him cookies yesterday.
Oh, cookies, huh? You know, you can't buy the necessities of life with cookies, Edward. You can't buy a car with cookies, can you, Jim?
That's true, sir, you can't. No, I'm not going to eat that meat. He used his hands, I don't think it's sanitary.
Oh, Kim, I'm sorry.
Oh, that is a big piece of meat, Edward.
What?
Are you trying to show me up? Yeah, I see the way you look at her.